Welcome to Infomrk, my YouTube channel. Skills required for library technical services. Technology resources that facilitate library operations and services. Problem solving. Being able to identify and resolve issues that may arise in the library, such as damaged books, missing records, patron complaints, or technical glitches. Clerical skills. Being able to perform administrative tasks such as data entry, filing documents, answering emails and phone calls, sorting mail, and photocopying. Preservation and archives. Being able to care for and preserve both print and electronic materials from damage and deterioration, using techniques such as binding, conservation, microfilming, digitization, or migration. Collection development and management. Being able to select and acquire materials that suit the library's mission and audience, and manage the collection's size, scope, quality, and accessibility. Cataloging and classification. Being able to create and adapt records for library materials and licensed content using standards such as MARC or RDA, and organize materials by classification systems such as Library of Congress or Dewey Decimal. Communication skills. Being able to communicate effectively with patrons, staff, vendors, and other stakeholders using oral and written communication skills. Initiative. Being able to take action and responsibility for library tasks without being told or supervised. Interpersonal skills. Being able to work well with others in a team environment, respect diversity, and handle conflicts constructively.